my loves, Send Out here coming at you with another video. And as you can see, this is like one of my nail vlogs. Okay, so I was doing my nails this day and I decided to use this kit from Sally's Beauty Secrets. I wanted to use something that is accessible to you guys, that you can all go and purchase yourself from your local Sally's, or if you want to use one of my affiliate links, whatever. So I really actually like this kit. It surprised me because it also comes with nail forms, even though these are not the nail forms that I'm going to use in this video. However, it comes with all of this stuff here. It comes with its own little brush, but I'm in love with this one, so that is what I'm using. I have already prepped and filed my nails and all of that stuff. Make sure you check the description box below for the video on me prepping my nails, cutting my cuticles, all of that stuff that you have to do beforehand. Now in this video, I am mixing a couple of different glitters with this acrylic. I'm using clear acrylic as well as pink, and the clear acrylic is what I am using to mix with this gold color that you guys are going to see in a minute. I'm not going to talk you guys through this video. This isn't necessarily going to be a tutorial type. I just want you guys to go ahead and watch it and leave it in the comments below of whether or not you want to see more videos like this. And then if you do, I'll do a more detailed tutorial for you guys. But let me just say this, I love to shape my nails with freeforms instead of tips, because for me, tips just always leave like that really deep dent in my nail bed, and this leaves a no dent whatsoever in my nail bed, and I can make the nails look exactly like I want them to look. So let me just say this, it had been a minute since I've done nails. I'm gonna say maybe like about 3 or 4 years, probably longer than that, since I've done my own. But I don't know, I think I want to start doing them, because not on people, Lord, not on other people, not for clients, or models, nothing like that, but on myself, because I had so much fun. So you guys just go ahead and watch what I'm doing. I don't have like a specific pattern that I'm following. I'm literally just free flowing, and as I decide to pick up different colors and make different designs with the acrylic, then that's what I do. I don't necessarily like go and make designs like with polish and stuff like that. I like to do the designs with the acrylic as I create, and when we get to the nail that I'm talking about, I will come back and we will talk about it. Please do not forget to prime your nails like I did, because I forgot to prime my thumb because I was just focused on like making sure the angles and stuff were right. So that one ended up popping off like 2 days later, and I had to go back and fix it. So yeah, you guys keep watching. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so when it comes to freeforming designs, this is the nail that I was talking about. As you can see, I'm only putting the gold like on one side. No, it looks weird, but bear with me. And after I go and put the gold on this side, I'm gonna go back in with the white acrylic and finish the other side, and then I'm gonna put like some pink over the top. There's no specific reason, I just thought of how I wanted it to look, and I just added the colors as I go. So that is all I'm going to do on this video, you guys. And then after I get done, I'm gonna file my nails nails to death. And then after I file them, then I'm just going to do a top coat gel overlay, and it's with Gelish. I hope I'm saying it gelish something, whatever. I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box below, as well as my Amazon store link, so you can go on there, and even if you don't purchase from my Amazon link, you can still look and see the exact products that I use for this video. You guys, make sure you always check that first and then ask me questions, because I promise I always leave everything there if I can. Okay, so now I'm adding the pink and all of that stuff. Don't be alarmed by how thick everything looks. Like I said, it's been a minute since your girl did the nails, okay? So, but when I file them, it's gonna be all together. So I love you guys so much. If you're not doing so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel and click that bell. And make sure you are subscribed to my website, so that way you are notified every time I post a new video, even if you don't get the notification here on YouTube. Okay, I love you guys so much. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, and until our next video, bye girl. Leave some comments, girl. When it get done, girl, let me know what you think, girl. And if you want to see some more of these, girl, bye girl.